These are the elevators at the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We got Otis Vanity buttons, Series 2. Here's your inspection certificate. Let's get a little bit of a view out. That right there is Tuscaloosa. There's a look at the elevators. I'll cut the video to when we get another one. We got this one. Let's go down the ground. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. All the cabs are the same. I mean, on all three of these elevators. So these are Otis Gen2, installed in 2015. Let's watch the bun go out. Four, eight. So now we're going up on this elevator. Let's send this one back down. So we're waiting for an elevator. I noticed that this panel is slightly loose. You can actually see like red lights. And here it is. Let's go down the ground. And there's your certificate. So these are Otis Gen2, installed in 2015. So these are about 4 years old. Here we are at ground. So I know it's this right here. It says elevator emergency power. But anyway, let's call another one. We got this one. This one has a wet floor sign in it. Let's go to 8. Let's go down the ground. Here's the certificate on this one. Here's your cab view again. All these are basically the same, but I'm just going to show you the cab for each one. This one up. Let's go to 8. Again, there's that panel that I told you about. On that one over there, I could see red lights behind it. So let's go to ground. There it goes, and that'll be it.